Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and performance report for Randy in California on this RCI-2970N4. Randy, I got it ready to go for you. All your goodies. You got your amp on-off switch, your digital echo, voltage regulator upgrade, RF2030 plus upgrade into the radio section, and the hg2879s in the amp section for durability. Tune alignment. I'm sure I'm probably missing something else, but I know you requested blue LEDs, but this is a crystal display. There is no change in this, okay? So let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug. I've got you set at 25 watts all the way down, so you have full adjustability if you decide to run like a 16 pill or bigger with it. 125 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. 225 bird, 500 watt slug in PEP. 500 watt slug hit the corner. Let's pull that out. Put the 1000 watt slug in. In PEP mode. We're at 575 PEP. Alright, Randy, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.